Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this Revvstark 86-piece magnetic impact nut driver set. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost anything extra. So let's get this open. So it looks like it's wrapped in foam here, so I'll cut that off. So here we have the set. Now if I jiggle this, it makes a little bit of sound. So when I was jiggling the box, I thought for sure this was all going to be kind of scattered in here, but the case held everything in place. So that's very nice. So this case has a handle built into it, so this flips out, so it makes for easy carrying. Now if you're putting this in your toolbox, you can tuck that in and set it right down. And then we can even go in here and take this lid off. So if you want to have it in your toolbox with no lid, you can easily do that. But if you want to use it on the go, you can have the lid on and use that handle. So let me open this up. Let's just pop these latches down. There's a little bit of foam here. Pull that out. Okay, so let's take a look at what we have here. If we look at the top row here, we have 3/16 to 1/2. Then go to the next row, we have 1/2 to 5/16. So here the small is on the right and the small is on the left here. And then we have 10 to 19, and there are skips in here. It goes like 10, 13, 15, 16, 17, 19. Then on the bottom, we have 5 to 13. This is a 1/4 inch hex to 3/8 inch socket, but it's also like a wobble adapter. This is just a standard extension here, and this has an 8mm extension. So that's 1/4 to 8mm. Then we have some special bits. So this has a slot, so this is actually like a 17 socket, but it's a slot, so you can put this over a wing nut. This is a 7/16, and there is oil on these. I put that on here so it doesn't rust, so I can see I have a little oil on my hands. Let's see what this is here. So this is a pin adapter. So if you have a rounded off bolt, you can press this onto it, and those pins will grip it. These can also be nice for small wing nuts and stuff. We have a wing nut tool here, or hooks. Like say you want to put in a hook that has a screw end, you could use a tool like that to put those in. Here we have a longer adapter. So you pull on this end to put the bit in. This rotates so you can kind of hold on to this while you're using it. Here's an angle adapter. So this is for getting into tight spaces, like if you're working in a cabinet and you want to put a screw in on the side and you can't get your whole screw gun in, you can use that. Here's a ratchet adapter. So you can use this like a socket wrench with a ratchet. So that will go in like that. And you can flip this to switch tighten or loosen. Here's a flex adapter. So if I turn this here, I can bend this. And again, like if you're working in cabinets and you're trying to drive something in, you can use this. I'm guessing this angle adapter can handle more torque than this, but it gives you multiple different options here. So these are our nut drivers, and then over here we have traditional bits. So we have some different torque sizes, hex, Phillips, looks like Posi-Drive, some more hex, torque, square, Posi-Drive, and Phillips. So we have some long and some short there. So it's a nice selection here. So let's see how these fit in my impact driver. Now I'm guessing most people who are looking at a set like this have an impact driver and know how to use one, but this will fit in like such, and I'll pull the collar back here and that will lock in. Now there's always going to be a little play there. To take it out, I'll pull forward and pull this out. So different models will have different ways that works. So that's an overview of the set. I'm going to gather some materials so I can demonstrate some of these. Okay, so I have a piece of scrap wood here, and I have a lag screw, and I have a hook. So I'll take my lag screw here, and I'll match it up to the right size. So this would be, I think, 7/16. That's correct. So I'll chuck that up in my impact driver. I'll start this in the hole here, then I can drive this. Now this is a deep socket, so it's going to fit down on it quite a way. It'll give me quite a bit of control. A little bit more, and now that's in there. So we have this large hook here, so I'll probably start this in by hand. Then I'll use the hook driver. I'll slot that over. Now I'm going to go slow here. I don't want this to fling out. And now that hook's installed. And this hook's even kind of bent quite a bit. My hole is straight, but this drove that in very nicely. So if you have a lot of hooks like this, a tool like this can really come handy. My typical way of installing this would be to loop a wrench on there and swing it around, and this is much easier. Of course, I can take these back out. And there, I just flung that out. And I can take this out too. Here I have an inducer blower off an old water heater. This takes a Torx bit, so I get my Torx drivers out. And these Torx bits are actually security Torx. That's a little too big. So this is a T20. So I can easily go in here and remove these screws. Now I don't really need to take this apart right now, I'm just demonstrating. So I'll put it back in. So that's the Revvstark 86-piece magnetic impact nut driver set. So that's just a couple of things you can do with this, but of course the sky's the limit. This could be good for construction or trade work when you're trying to drive lag screws and such. This could also be used in automotive work. Oftentimes body panels and things take 10mm or 12mm sockets, and you might even have a big impact driver and a socket set. But if you have a set like this, you could say load your 10 or 12mm in an impact driver and use that to take off the body panels and just leave that in there so you can easily grab it and move things around. And then use your larger tools for larger nuts and bolts, so you're not constantly having to swap out sockets and such. So this has some shallow and some deep sockets, but this also does have adapters for 1/2, 3/8, and 1/4 inch, and they're kind of a wobble style. So if you have your own socket set, you can use those with these to further the usefulness of this. So along with the nut drivers, we have the different adapters to extend or flex the shaft on here, and then we have the traditional bits over to the right side here. So I think this is really going to be handy working around my house and around my garage. And it comes with this nice case, has a clear lid on it so you can easily see what bits are in it without even having to open it. So if you're looking for a comprehensive set to go along with an impact driver, I think this is a great option. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. Thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.